Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be telling guys how you can make up to $1,800 monthly on this platform, and I'll also be giving you an update on the new policy based on the enthusiastic response the earning club organizers have gotten from their members. The organizers have created a new policy whereby all registered members get $8 for free after registration, and they can use that $8 to perform tasks in the trial area. Okay, so the trial area is the Amazon trial area, where they can now perform tasks with the $8 they get for 5 days. And the good thing about that is that's the great thing about it is that you get to keep all the profit you've gotten within those 5 days, and you can withdraw it to your trust wallet or any of your wallets once it's up to $2. Okay, so that means the minimum withdrawal now is $2. Okay, so this basically helps the new users to know more about the platform, to basically know how they will earn from the platform, how they will be able to withdraw, and it helps them know how an idea of how the platform works before they now decide to upgrade to earn higher commissions. Because normally on this platform, basically to earn higher commissions you need to recharge more. So the higher you recharge on the platform, the higher commission you get, because you get to do tasks with higher levels. So basically, how do you make $1,800 in a month from this platform? The platform has several member systems. There's level 1, level 2, and level 3. So as a level 3 member, if you deposit up to 500, that's if you recharge up to 500, you'll be eligible to perform level 3 tasks, and you'll be getting a total of $1,800 every month from level 3. So basically, that's a simple way you can make that much. So I'll be showing you guys some images now that basically explains all this, which was released by the organizers, and I'll also be showing you guys how to perform tasks at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end. This was released by the organizers. It reads, "Good news. Due to the enthusiastic response, Earning Club decided to hold a promotion for new registrants with trial area by giving free USDT, that's $8 virtual currency, and doing tasks for 5 days. Total earned money can be withdrawn anytime, and minimum withdrawal is as low as $2 only. Terms and conditions apply." So the promotion validity period of the activity is subject to the platform's notice. So there's also good news for all official dealerships. Okay, there's also good news for all official dealers. So in order to support dealers easier gain more valid members or subordinates and hit targets for monthly bonus, Earning Club decided a promotion for dealer to make new registrants easier accept your invitation by giving them $8 virtual currency and doing tasks for 5 days in trial area. The money from trial can be withdrawn as long as they have minimum of $2 after they understand by getting the free $2 after withdrawal. It's time they know how to do tasks and earn and become a valid member. Terms and conditions also apply. Okay, so that's basically, so it's like I already mentioned. Okay, is like I already mentioned, now all new registered members get $8 for free, and you get to do tasks daily for 5 days for free, and you get to keep all the profit you've made from that. So hopefully that will encourage you to recharge on the platform so that you can do higher level tasks and earn higher commission. So how do you perform tasks? Okay, so as a new member, if you register, you can only perform tasks in the trial area. Okay, to perform higher level tasks you need to recharge. So to perform the eBay tasks you need to recharge 10 USDT. To perform the Etsy tasks you recharge 50 USDT, and to perform the Alibaba tasks you need to recharge up to 500 USDT. So I already made a full video about all you need to know on this platform. You can check that out on my channel. So I'll quickly show you guys how you can perform tasks on this side. To perform tasks, all you have to do is you open up the task you want to perform. Okay, and you click on grabbing. So once you click on grabbing, it will load up. Okay, so after loading up, then you click on where it says purchase. Okay, so after loading up it will show something like this. Then you click on purchase and it will still load up, and that's all. So all you have to do is you repeat that 30 more times every day. Okay, all you have to do is repeat this 29 more times, because you get to do 30 tasks every day. It's very simple and you can be done in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so once you're done with all that, that's how you basically do tasks. Okay, so make sure you like this video if you love the content, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more updates, because I'll be doing a live withdrawal, another live withdrawal proof on from this platform once I have up to $100 in my account. So make sure you stay tuned so that you don't miss out on that. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.